dry land, the dogs can run at over 40 miles an hour. But when threatened, leopards always seek the safety of water. With their splayed hooves and long hind legs, they can power their way through the water. The dogs can't. The pack won't be able to outswim the leopards. But they do have a strategy. The dogs drive the leopards to where they have the advantage. Back towards dry land. Now the pack can regain lost ground. Success today, but tomorrow the pack will need to hunt again. In the Okavango, animals must always adapt to the coming and going of fresh water.